Welcome to lesson 2. So how did you get on? Okay, so let's go back and just have a little recap. So hopefully you managed to get your cat to be able to move left and right, and hopefully you figured out that what you do to make your cat move left is you change that to a minus. Alright, and if you want your cat to go up, you would use change y by 10. And what do you think you'd do to make your cat go down now that you know what you need to do to make your cat go left and right? Go up. Can you figure out how to do down by yourself? I bet you can. So why don't you pause this video and try it. So pause the video now. See if you can make your cat go down. Okay, so hopefully you paused and you've added this button to make your cat go down, and you have used the motion block change y by minus 10. Okay, so now we have the cat can go up, down, left and right. Okay, so experiment with these other motion blocks. Okay, there's more that you can do, and like for example you can get your cat to turn left and right these ways. Right, and you can get your cat to point in different directions. Okay, so let's make a cat point left. Oh, cat goes upside down to do that. Alright, so play around with these different blocks and see what happens with them all. Okay, and like I said again, we can click our green flag to make our cat go back to 0, 0. What if you wanted to make your cat jump to a different place on the screen, right? So you can do this. You can see this little block here. It kind of remembers, it knows where your cat is, so you can click on that. So you can make a cat go back to there and back to there. Kind of like teleportation, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to move those blocks off, and now we'll show you a few more things. Okay, so now we can move our cat around, but it's a bit boring moving our cat all just around in just a white blob here. So let's go to our stage. Remember I told you this was the backdrop, so we can change the backdrop. So we can choose one. There's a whole bunch of different backdrops in the library here. Okay, so we have indoors, we have outdoors, we've got castle places, we've got city, flying, music and dance. Okay, so I'm going to put the cat in a party room. Chosen this one by clicking on it. I'm going to click OK. And no. There we go. Now my cat is in the party room, so my cat can move all the way around the party room by using my up and down arrows. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my scripts, and you'll see that the scripts is empty. And why is that? Because I'm still clicking on my backdrop. So we can add scripts to our backdrop as well. I'm going to go back to the cat. I'm going to do a script for my cat, right? So now, remember we said we had two costumes. So we've got scripts here, and these are costumes. So our cat actually can change costumes, and it would be kind of nice if every time we moved, our cat changed costumes. Right? So if you have a look in here, the looks, it's kind of purpley, pinky kind of colored blocks. Right? There's all these different looks. Okay, and you'll see this little block here, next costume. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. I'm going to move these blocks around for all the different keys for controlling my cat, and I'm going to add this little next costume block to all of these. And here's what happens. My cat can move. Now whenever my cat moves around, he's walking. So that's cool. So why don't you have a little play and see what else you can do with these costume blocks. Right? Have a little explore and play with that and see what you can do.